basis that they say it on? Is it?
It all started with Austrian activist and lawyer Max Schrems filing a complaint against Facebook in 2013, arguing personal data should not be sent to the US because data protection is not as strong as it is in Europe. On Thursday, Schrems celebrated the result of his long legal battle.
So basically the Court of Justice says all necessary transfers are still possible. So there's not going to be a situation where you cannot message your friends in the US anymore. But you have to separate, for example, messages within Europe and messages that actually go to the US. And then have to say, okay, only messages that go to the US are actually sent to US servers. But messages between two people in Vienna, for example, have to stay somehow in Europe.
The European Commission says it will closely study the court ruling and expects the US administration to work towards a safer data transfer.
We cannot do the magic and change the American laws from Europe. It's for the American partners to reflect on that.
I've already spoken, like the Vice President Verjova, with our US counterparts this week, but we have started since some time to discuss about the way forward. It was for the first time the case in the first transatlantic bilateral dialogue in December last year with the Attorney General William Barr, and we'll continue to work on it. We'll be in contact also in the coming days and look forward to working constructively with them to develop a strengthened and durable transfer mechanism.
The US Secretary of Commerce, Wilbur Ross, says he is deeply disappointed and will remain in close contact with the European Commission to try to limit the negative consequences of the ruling. The ruling means it will no longer simply be assumed that tech companies will adequately protect the privacy of its users' data. Rather, the EU and US will now have to find a new agreement that guarantees greater data protection. Mehmet Solmaz, TRT World.